is Taklu and yes, we are the cave.
Sorry. Dangra jodaw kate si nahel te. चला था ट्रेन ओकर में ना
Kuliah Kopala.
कोपड़ा रे ने तो ही असमा गुजरे को का दिन ही दिया भाई ना दिन ही दिया खाना हो गया ठीक है so guys now I'm at Dhalbungar and I'm ready to go. I have taken a ticket, so now I'll go by this overbridge and you can see the location. I am going to Adityapur, so our side is you can see, and already I have taken the ticket, so we'll see how is the crowd of train, because today train has cancelled and only one train is going, that's so we'll see and what will be the journey. Okay, and now you can see the train has arrived. And so
3 में दिया नहीं 2 में दिया 2 में दिया चलो ठीक है चलो
and already I have arrived the Tata Nagar station. So guys, now I have arrived the Adityapur and now I am at the station and you can the Adityapur station. So the rain has not stopped now also. It is you can see, but in which way I will go. So there is few charge in my power bank also. You can see here only 7% is left. So guys, now I have searched the location where I have to go and I have found out it is about here from 5 kilometer and you can see the Adityapur station location. Let me I show you. This you can see here they have made elephant and it is looking like real, and that side is Sidhu Kanu and there is Birsa Munda also. You can see guys, here are some deer and let me I show you. This one is the bull cut, which we call in Santhali Dangra Gadi. Here is paddy planting. You can see guys, here is drilling method you can consider. So here is about that coal mines or any kinds of mines. So here is also, although this side they have made HM, and here is some elephant. So guys, now I'm ready to go. I will see the if I will get some auto or some vehicle to go, or bus, anything to go there, or I will take lift if I get. So guys, here guys you can see the man is plowing the paddy field. Sorry, dangra jodaw kate si nahel te to pe nyel dareya kana. So guys, like this I was plowing at my first vlog. So if you have not seen my first vlog, and go to the channel and you can see. So guys, now I have come to the Sakchi and the mall name is D-Mart, and you can see here, you can see this here is many kinds of shoes and sandal. Whosoever want to buy, you can come and take there. Only for 50 rupees. Here is 500 and upward is 800. So if what your choice, you can take. So this side is kitchens accessories. So you can see what call I don't know. This is we call in Santhali tawa. This is what called I don't know. So who know about this? So please mention in comment and you can say. So this is I don't know Kanachu cooking tools here written, and I don't know what call, but here this guys you can see the tiffin box. So you can take anything in this tiffin, and this rest start at from 49. Here is 69, 99, 119, 199 to 49. So your choice. And here is towel. We call towel. What do you call? I don't know. Acha, bath towel. Acha. Okay. And here are some hanger. Oh, here is some basket. And here is handkerchief. And here is roof. And umbrella also. So here is mat. So this side is tray, you can say. Almost you can keep here as something. And this side is many kinds of plate and tray. You can see this side. You can see the cup glass set, and this side is glass. And this side is many kinds of basket and some I don't know this daba, plastic daba. So guys, you can see this is all for ladies. And you can see guys, not ladies, this you can buy. No, this is totally ladies wear. And guys, you can see here are many kinds and many variety of cloth. So guys, here is upside is third floor is all for kids. And you can see t-shirt. This is maybe M size. And here is many kinds of t-shirt. And no, it is maybe, yeah, this is 10 to 16 years. This is for 10 to 16 years. Guys, you can see here are many kinds of collection and many varieties of clothes is here. Hello, what are you doing? Oh, please handshake. Oh no, oh my god. So guys, you can see, oh the cap is, so you can see here the cap, and is taklu, and here is where the cap, you can see. So guys, now I'm at the room. Enough for today. And if you like my video, so you can subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. So here I'm ending today's vlog. Then thank you for all, and thank you for watching.